Hello everyone, so I did my signature assignment in my task tools matrix on 5 different subjects. So this first one is reading and listening, and the way I organize it is at my high-tech section, which is the middle section, I bolded the apps that I found that I thought would be super beneficial to use in the future, and then I used parentheses in order to explain and summarize what that app actually does, so it will help me to refer back to it in the future. I love my favorite one on this one was display control, which lets the kid control font, size, color, and spacing of text, and different audiobooks that the kids can use depending on their different abilities. And writing, I saw a lot of different apps to help with outlining, note-taking, and drafting, as well as software to help children with dyslexia and graphic organizers and different spell checks. The mid to low tech technology on the far right, a lot of these can also be used for reading and listening and other subjects as well. Math had a lot. Again, the bold, I thought this was really interesting. The Math Talk has children speak problems into a microphone, and that really helps, especially if they cannot write it correctly. And then lastly, social studies and science, and these were different apps to use, not as many as the other subjects, but one of my favorites is social studies with a lot of different interactive websites that really help with understanding events such as the Holocaust and different audible documents and textbooks for them to use and to understand. So I hope that explains it really well, and I hope you like my task tools matrix.